Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
A garden figure made from old clothes and plants instantly sets the mood and brings life to a dull corner, using only everyday items. Decor made from birch trunks and simple wooden elements feels light and welcoming, especially when placed near the entrance with just a few accents. An old metal bed headboard turns the space around a tree into a neat flower bed and protects plants from the lawnmower. A path made of alternating paving slabs and gravel looks more expressive and allows rainwater to drain naturally. A gate welded from old garden tools becomes a real art piece and instantly tells the story of the garden. A narrow flower bed along a fence feels full and textured when stones and wood slices are used as edging. A wooden gazebo shaped like honeycombs creates a balance of shade and light, while colored inserts play beautifully in the sun. A carved wooden gate, hidden in a green hedge, adds a secret garden feeling and sets a calm mood for a walk. A woven plant support shaped like a dress works both as sculpture and trellis, supporting plants without overloading the space. An arch over the path, made from old columns and a chandelier, defines the route and visually extends even a very small garden. A concrete fence with built-in glass bottles lets light through and turns a simple barrier into decorative design. An old boat makes a perfect flower bed for succulents and driftwood, keeping its shape and requiring minimal care. A small log house with a planted green roof blends softly into the landscape and feels like a natural part of the garden.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.